Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I appreciate you for stopping by. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the content of this video and that you will actually consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you're in the loop when I upload a video. If you're returning, thank you, Sugar Muffin. I appreciate you as well. Alright, y'all, we are here with yet another edition of, sing it with me now, Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. Alright, so if you don't know, Budget Friendly Friday is where I am showcasing or bringing you wig reviews of wigs that are under $25. Winning. So today I am reviewing one of the newer units from Bobbi Boss in their Truly Me collection, and I just reviewed two of their new units in the Truly Me collection a couple days ago, and this beauty here was included. Today I'm reviewing the style MLF 422 ENID, E-N-I-D, ENID, ENID. I don't know. Something like that. And I happen to have her in the color too. And this is what she looks like on the stock card. And based on my previous reviews of this one right here, which is MARCIA as well as ANDRINA, which I'll be sure to leave a card up above as well as the link in the description box below. I actually really like these new units. Like when they say they are ready wear, they are ready wear. Like, you don't have to do too much. And I'm probably going to prove it to you again with this unit, ENID. So, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Alright y'all, so here is the wavy hair straight out of the package. Here's what the lace looks like. I love that it's brown girl friendly and it actually comes with sparse baby hairs and not baby bangs. So kudos to Bobbi Boss for that. Standard cap construction with the two combs on the side, one in the back, and the adjustable straps, and a breathable cap, y'all, to get to that good scalp when you need to. Now, as you can see, this unit does come with a middle part, and I am loving it. But of course, I decided to shift it to a side part. This is the left side part, but of course, I'm a right side chick, so I went with the right side part. Now this one is ready to wear. However, I do recommend putting some bobby pins on the side to secure it in place and make sure you're not flapping in the wind, especially if you shift her to the side. Now the parting space on these units have been a little tight, but as you can clearly see, just adding a little foundation powder opens it right on up with no problem. Okay, honey, I can dig this one too. This is cute. Y'all know I'm a fan for waves. First and foremost. Any type of wavy unit, I'm here for it. I love a good wavy unit. Alright, so let's talk about some pros, right? So again, just like ANDRINA and MARCIA, there's no tangling with this unit. I love this style. I already mentioned that. Like, I love a good wavy style. Super cute. Now, something I did do off camera that I didn't show you was add a little Nairobi foam to get her back in order, because I felt like she was getting a little poofy. She was definitely getting a little poofy when I went through and combed her out. I haven't even put a brush to any of these new units in this Truly Me collection. Any of the new units, I haven't touched them with a brush. I have only been going in with a comb to try to reduce any maximum volume. Like, I just want it to be just like this. This is nice right here. The texture, I also love the texture. It's not super silky and wiggy feeling. Like, you got a little bit of yak in here. It's light silky. This one is a little light silky, but you got some yak up in here too. I was a little skeptical about using the baby hairs because they all come with baby hairs, but I decided to use it this time because it's a wavy look. You know, I felt like with a straight or super curly, you can get away with it, but for wavy, yeah, I decided to add some baby hairs. Not necessary though. Again, these aren't the type of wigs that have like that super pre-plucked hairline, natural hairline type. No, none of that. You're not getting none of that. These units are supposed to be good throw and goes. Easy breezy. And that's what they are. Shedding, yep, just like the others. I'm still getting shedding. Yep. It's not as bad as the blonde one that I had on before. I feel like this is such a comfortable length. We're at about 16, 18 inches max. I don't think it's any longer than 18 inches. Nice comfortable length. And this is summer ready. If it looks like it's a lot of hair and the density does seem a little full, but it's not excessive. If you get a little worried about hair like this, just make sure you wear her when you know you're going to be inside in air conditioning. That's my suggestion. Alright, so let's talk about the price and why it's included in Budget Friendly Friday. So this unit ranges anywhere from $22 to $30. That's why I saved her for Budget Friendly Friday versus putting her in with the other two that I reviewed a couple days ago. So you can easily find her for $22. I will include a Google search link down below so that you can explore your options. And I think that this price is very well worth it. Like, this is a cute look. This gives a vibe. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this unit is cute and affordable and easy breezy. Like, yeah, it's worth it. You can't beat it. Alright, well, that's really all that I have for y'all. Please be sure to check out my previous video where I also reviewed 2 of the newer units in this collection so that you can do your own comparison. I thank you and appreciate you for watching this video. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video.